Alright guys, I hope you like my new intro. It's going to be my intro for a little bit. I think I'm going to start getting into a little bit of stop motion. So I think some people have asked me for that a long time ago. Let me know in the comment section down below if I should do stop motion. I think it would be really fun. Also guys, this MOC is absolutely awesome. Like, it's really cool. I think it's cooler than like the Flood Cultist MOC that I did a long time ago. So please thumb up this video. Let's go for 160 likes. That would be insane. We've never gotten that many before on a video within like 24 hours or within like a few days to a week. So if we could do that, that would be awesome. This MOC is really cool. It's inspired off Halo 3, which is an amazing game and one of my favorite Halo games. So please enjoy it, sit back, relax, and let's just get right into the video. Alright guys, there it is. There is this awesome flood MOC where the arbiter's going in to help Master Chief as he's going to get Cortana. That was the idea behind this, and I think it turned out really, really sweet. This is probably one of my favorite flood MOCs that I've done, especially going up against the occultist flood MOC, which was probably my favorite, but now this one might be my favorite. Thank you guys so much for tuning in if you stayed to this point. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button down below, thumb up this video. That would be awesome. And also we're doing a 1K sub giveaway, so make sure you hit that sub button because I'm going to be either giving away a really cool MOC or a really cool custom figure for that 1K sub giveaway. So thank you guys so much for all the support lately, and I hope you enjoyed this video. It was definitely a blast to make, to say the least, and I am super, super happy with it. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.